The growth of the internet and the increasing amount of publicly available data have made OSINT an essential tool for a wide range of individuals and organizations. These include law enforcement and intelligence agencies, journalists, researchers, and businesses. The increasing use of OSINT highlights the importance of protecting our privacy online. We can use privacy-enhancing tools such as virtual private networks, VPNs, and privacy-focused browsers. The open web is the part of the internet that's easily accessible to everyone. It is indexed by search engines like Google and Bing. It includes websites, blogs, and social media platforms. It is the most familiar layer of the internet and the largest source of information for OSINT investigations. Cybersecurity specialist. The deep web refers to the part of the internet that is not indexed by standard search engines. It includes databases, online banking portals, and cloud storage services. While the deep web is not inherently illegal, it can be used for both legitimate and illicit purposes. The dark web is a small part of the deep web, often associated with criminal activity, but also used by journalists, activists, and whistleblowers to communicate anonymously. Traditional search engines rely on keywords to find information. Reverse image search uses the image itself as the search query. By uploading an image or pasting its URL into a reverse image search engine, we can find other websites where the image appears, different versions of the image, and even information about the image's content. Tech expert reverse image search is particularly useful for verifying the authenticity of images in an era of misinformation and deepfakes. Section 5. The art of asking the right questions. Boolean search queries explained. In the vast ocean of online information, knowing how to refine our searches is essential for effective OSINT gathering. The sheer volume of data available can be overwhelming, making it crucial to have strategies to sift through it efficiently. This is where Boolean search queries come into play, acting as a powerful tool to streamline our search process.
Named after the English mathematician George Boole, Boolean logic uses operators like AND, OR, and NOT to combine or exclude search terms, enabling us to construct highly specific search queries. These operators help in filtering out irrelevant information and honing in on what truly matters. By using Boolean operators, we can narrow down our search results and focus on the most relevant information. This method is particularly useful when dealing with complex topics that require precise data.
For example, if we are interested in finding articles about cybersecurity threats to financial institutions, we can use a Boolean search query like cybersecurity and financial institutions, and threats or vulnerabilities. This ensures that our search results are both comprehensive and specific.
Boolean operators can also be used to exclude unwanted results from our searches. For instance, adding NOT to a query can help eliminate unrelated topics that might clutter our search results. By using a combination of keywords and Boolean operators, we can significantly improve the precision of our searches and uncover more targeted information. This technique is invaluable for researchers, analysts, and anyone needing accurate data.
Mastering Boolean search queries is like learning a new language, allowing us to communicate more effectively with search engines. It empowers us to navigate the digital world with greater confidence and efficiency. Section 6. Cloaking your digital trail, understanding virtual private networks, VPNs. Privacy is paramount in the digital age, especially when delving into the world of OSINT, or open source intelligence. Our online activities can leave behind a trail of digital footprints, revealing our location, browsing habits, and sensitive information. This can be exploited by malicious entities. This is where virtual private networks, or VPNs, come into play, offering a robust solution to protect our digital presence.
VPNs act as a digital shield, encrypting our internet traffic and masking our online identity. This encryption ensures that our data remains private and secure. When we connect to the internet, our data is routed through our Internet Service Provider, or ISP, which can see all the websites we visit and the data we transmit. This can compromise our privacy. A VPN creates a secure tunnel between our device and a remote server, encrypting all data that flows through it. This tunnel prevents unauthorized access to our information.
one of the key features of a VPN is its ability to mask our IP address, making it difficult for anyone to trace our online activities back to us. When we use a VPN, our internet traffic appears to originate from the VPN server's location, effectively hiding our true IP address and location. This adds an extra layer of anonymity.
VPNs are valuable tools for anyone concerned about online privacy and security, especially those engaged in OSINT research. They provide a secure environment to gather and analyze information without exposing oneself to potential threats.
Section 7. OSINT for everyone. Practical applications and everyday uses. OSINT is not just a tool for spies and detectives. Its applications extend far beyond the realms of intelligence gathering and criminal investigations.
Journalists use OSINT to verify information, uncover leads, and investigate complex stories.
Researchers leverage OSINT to gather data, track trends, and gain insights into various fields.
Marketers utilize OSINT to understand their target audience, track competitors, and identify emerging trends.
Even individuals can benefit from OSINT in their everyday lives. We can use it to verify the credibility of online sources, research potential employers, reconnect with old friends, or plan our next vacation. Section 8, the ethical implications, navigating the grey areas of open source intelligence. While OSINT offers a wealth of opportunities, it also raises important ethical considerations. As with any powerful tool, OSINT can be misused, leading to privacy violations, reputational damage, and even harm to individuals.
One of the primary ethical concerns surrounding OSINT is the potential for privacy violations. Information that is publicly available is not necessarily meant for public consumption. Sharing someone's personal information without their consent, even if it is publicly accessible, can have serious consequences.
Another ethical consideration is the potential for bias and misinformation. OSINT relies on publicly available information which can be inaccurate, incomplete, or deliberately misleading.
Furthermore, OSINT can be used for malicious purposes, such as harassment, stalking, or identity theft. It is crucial to use OSINT responsibly and ethically, refraining from engaging in any activities that could harm or exploit others.
Section 9. The future of OSINT trends and predictions in the ever-evolving digital landscape. The field of OSINT is constantly evolving, driven by rapid advancements in technology and the ever-growing amount of data available online. This dynamic environment requires continuous adaptation and innovation.
One significant trend is the increasing sophistication of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, which are becoming more advanced and capable each day. AI and ML are transforming OSINT by automating data collection and analysis, enabling analysts to process vast amounts of information more efficiently and identify patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. This automation is revolutionizing the way data is handled.
Another trend is the rise of the Internet of Things, which is adding billions of connected devices to the digital landscape, creating an intricate web of data sources. This data can be a valuable source of information for OSINT investigations, providing insights into individuals, organizations, and even entire cities. The potential applications are vast and varied.
However, the growing volume and complexity of data also present challenges for OSINT practitioners, who must develop new strategies to manage and interpret this information. The sheer amount of information available online can be overwhelming, making it difficult to separate signal from noise. Effective filtering and analysis techniques are essential to navigate this data deluge.
Section 10. Conclusion. Empowering ourselves with knowledge in the information age. In the digital age, information is power. OSINT has emerged as an essential tool for navigating the vast and ever-expanding digital landscape. From uncovering hidden connections and verifying information to protecting our privacy and understanding the world around us, OSINT empowers us with the knowledge and skills to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical implications of OSINT cannot be overstated. It is crucial to approach OSINT with a strong ethical compass, respecting privacy, verifying information, and using our knowledge responsibly. By understanding the principles of OSINT, embracing ethical practices, and staying informed about emerging trends, We can harness the power of open source intelligence to navigate the digital world safely, responsibly, and effectively.